Hi, I'm Jim the Grumpy Plumber, and I want to talk about faucets. Okay, this is my big rant and rave about faucets. Buy a cheap faucet and you're going to be replacing that cheap faucet about every other year or fixing it.
Hi, my dad Jim has been a plumber for 48 years. He's a master plumber in Michigan and a C36 licensed plumbing contractor in California. He has saved my wife and I thousands of dollars, but you just gotta watch out. He gets a little bit grumpy when he's giving advice, so don't piss him off.
My favorite faucets are Grohe, Newport Brass, and Hans Grohe. Now, you buy a good faucet, you could still have a problem with it, but very rare. When you pick up a faucet and it's solid brass and a nice heavy-duty faucet, and it's got, stems in it that are the ceramic stems, that's a good faucet because they can be fixed. The only time that ceramic stems can have a problem is if you have too high a water pressure. But otherwise, they tend to get 3-4 years of good use out of them. You got to remember how many times a day you turn that faucet on. And one thing I'm going to give you a little quick tip. I hope you're listening right now. If you have a ceramic stem faucet, when you use it, open it all the way. Just don't. People like to just crack a faucet a little way with flow, just a little bit trickle. But before you close it, open that faucet all the way and then close it back, because they'll get a memory on them, and then you don't get good water flow through. Quality lab faucets, man, it's just nice to go and work on one. Hardest part about them is figuring out how to get the handles off. But once you get the handles off, I take my sockets and put it on the top. I could take that baby right off, drop a new stem in, but I always carried the stems for Grohe, and Newport Brass is a good one. Hans Grohe is another good one. All these faucets are good quality faucets. Yes, you're going to pay a lot more money for them, but nowadays you can go on Amazon and look them up. You can go to go to a plumbing wholesaler, and they're all over. They're there, and I'll tell you what, they want to sell you something. They're probably going to give you a little discount because they want to beat up on the big box stores. Of course, they probably lose most of the time, but still, they sell a better product. I'm going to tell you that right up front. Faucets are kind of hard to recommend, but I've had the best luck with Grohe, Hans Grohe, Newport Brass. Yes, they're a little higher end, but you're not replacing them every year or every 2 years. If you maintain that faucet, if it drips, you fix it, it's going to be there a long time. You're probably going to get more tired of it, the style of it, than you are the quality of the faucet. So, they might be more money, but they have a bigger faucet line that you can look at, more products that might fit into your situation, but they're very good. And if you don't like what I had to say, ask the neighbor kids. Maybe they'll recommend it.